friends, welcome back to Mr. Yellowbeard. Today we will be looking at nutrients. How to know if a certain diet consists nutrients, then about deficiency diseases. Yeah, so let's go, right? First of all, what are nutrients? Nutrients are components of food that are needed to your body. You're sure to regret if you don't have a balanced diet. We will be back on that soon. Who are nutrients? Vitamins, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates, fats, and many more. Now let's test the presence for starch. Take a small quantity of a food item or raw ingredient. Put 2 to 3 drops of dilute iodine solution in it. A blue-black color changes indicate that the food item contains starch. Now let's test the presence of protein. Take a small quantity of cooked food item in a test tube. Add 10 drops of water to it and shake well. Add 2 drops of copper sulfate and 10 drops of caustic soda to it. A violet color change indicates that the food item contains protein. Let's test the presence of fat. Take a small quantity of food item or raw ingredient. Wrap it in paper and crush it well. Take care that the paper does not tear. Unfold and show it against light. An oily patch indicates that the food item contains fat. Now let's learn about the villain of the story. What are deficiency diseases? Deficiency diseases that occur due to the lack of nutrients over a long period of time. That's why nutrients are important. They are very important to body and to health. Which are deficiency diseases? If we don't have vitamin A, we will have loss of vision, and the symptoms are poor vision, loss of vision in darkness, sometimes complete loss of vision. And what if we don't have vitamin B1? Beriberi, which the symptoms are weak muscles and very little energy to work. What if we don't have vitamin C? Scurvy. Bleeding gums won't take longer time to heal. Yeah, what if we don't have vitamin D, which we will result in rickets. Bones become soft and bent. If we don't have calcium, bone and tooth decay. Symptoms weak bone and tooth decay. If we don't have iodine, we will get goiter. Symptoms are glands in the neck appear to be swollen, mental disability in children. What if we don't have iron? Anemia. Symptoms just a weakness. But so this is why you should have your nutrition. But what to do to avoid deficiency diseases? The only answer to it is a balanced diet. A balanced diet consists of all the components of food such as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, roughage and more in right quantities. If we take a balanced diet, we can avoid deficiency diseases. So until next time, which the video is about basic geometry. So until that video, see ya.